We've got snow on the brain so badly, Adam. Is it going to be sticking around anywhere in the mountains or the lowlands for us?
Yeah, we're going to see a little more into the mountains, and then really Monday was the main event. And so over the past few days, yesterday and today, we have seen less and less as far as the coverage of the snow, and as far as some of the heaviness of the snow, we've been seeing less of that too. But we're still stuck in this pattern. Check it out right here. You can tell that you're getting more of a counterclockwise flow, and that air is coming from Canada, heading out over the Pacific Ocean and heading its way right here into parts of the Pacific Northwest. And the warmer air is where you see more of that thick cloud base, which is a little farther to the south. But we are still stuck in this colder pattern, which is going to be with us at least for the next day or so. We are going to see it ease as we head into the weekend, but overall, we're still going to keep things below normal for a while. First, let's talk about the lows this morning. A lot of spots near, if not below the freezing point, all the way down to 26 this morning in Forks, 28 in Bremerton, 32 in Shelton, 35 in Everett. Those were your lows this morning, and the lows over the next few nights, check them out. They're going to start to steadily but surely increase back up into the mid and upper 30s by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then possibly even close to that average mark, which is at 43 by the time we head into Monday morning. Now, the high temperatures, those are going to start to climb to a little more. We've been seeing a lot more 40s recently. Low to mid 50s, still not quite up where we should be, which is at 59 degrees. Saturday, we'll take another dip back down into the low 50s before those numbers do start to rise back up, heading into Sunday and Monday around those mid to upper 50s. Let's check out the radar. Where is it snowing right now? Well, parts of the South Olympics, and then heading a little farther south too, seeing some areas pretty close to Wishkah, maybe more of a rain snow mix. Anything though, pretty light as far as what we're seeing as far as precipitation. Northward here, Camano Island, we're dry. Heading north into more of the San Juan Islands, we're dealing with dry conditions there too. And up here across the northern interior, it's not going to be too active of a day, and our temperatures will be some of the warmest across western Washington. And then you go south, and we do have a little moisture that's in place. A lot of this not completely reaching the ground, some drier air in the atmosphere, but a sprinkle or two here or there across the Kitsap Peninsula or parts of Puget Sound. And then you go south of there, and you see some more of that moisture across the southern part of the state, where they have been dealing with more of that snow throughout the morning. Right now we're sitting at 41. We have cloudy skies, and our winds not quite as breezy as where they were yesterday. We're only sitting at 6 miles per hour. 44 in Everett, 38 in Tacoma. Right now sitting at 47 in Oak Harbor, Bellingham at 48 degrees. So again, the warmer air, believe it or not, it's farther north. The farther south you go, thicker clouds, more of that moisture in place throughout the day have kept us in more of the 30s and the low 40s. And as far as the wind chills, you got to factor that in too, right? Feels like it's 34 in Tacoma, 35 in Olympia, 37 in Seattle, and right now in Everett, feels like it's 39. So here we go. Later on into the night, we'll start to see that some of this will fade away, but the same theme again, still in place, as we'll keep those areas of light rain and or snow as we go deep into the night and on into the day tomorrow. It looks like a lot of that probably is going to be confined to the eastern side of the Cascades for tonight. And then we'll start off tomorrow morning and head into tomorrow afternoon, and we'll see that this will start to flare up again. This time around, not going to be quite as widespread, less in terms of the coverage. We'll go into tomorrow night and head into Friday, and you can definitely tell there's not a whole lot going on here. This is for Friday morning during that commute time. A few sprinkles, possibly a few light flurries, and then importantly, 6 p.m. heading into Friday, right around that start time of the Mariners home opener. Looks like here across Seattle, we're going to keep things fairly dry. Here's your forecast as we go throughout the next 7. Yeah, we are calling for still a chilly day on Friday. We'll see a high of 54 degrees, but those numbers do bounce up a little more by Sunday and Monday. Easter dry with partly sunny skies and a high of 56. Still remaining relatively cool, however, with more showers to come early into next work week.